Well, happy Monday, everyone. Bryan Devore, Devore Realty Group, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, California Properties, and it's not just any Monday, but it is Christmas Day. So, Merry Christmas to those of you who do celebrate. And also today, we're wishing Merry Christmas to the crazy market. What do I mean by that? Well, we're going to find out right now by looking at the latest stats. So right now in the totals, we have 2,521 homes for sale throughout San Diego County. Huge drop of 347. We did expect inventory to go down. Didn't expect it to go down by that much. The median list price of those homes, $975,000, which is higher than last week. Average days on market, 62, 6 more days than last week. Pending sales 1805, up 39 from last week. Another sign of a crazy market. Didn't expect more homes going or being in escrow now than they were a week ago as we're approaching Christmas. Median list price $820,000, higher than last week. Average days on market 29, 1 more day than last week. Another sign of a crazy market, months of inventory, 1.87, kind of a big drop. It was 2.2, so down below 2 months of inventory. Market's getting hotter as we're getting towards the holidays or on the holidays. Not expected to see that. Here's the chart that shows total actives and total pendings. The trend line for total actives dropping a lot, while the trend line for pendings is staying the same or going up. Interesting. As rates have come down, I think that's helped a little bit. New actives, 202, big drop of 158. So 202 homes came on the market last week. Almost half of the homes that came on the market the week before. Median list price, $864, $450, higher than the week before. New pendings, 304. So more homes went into escrow last week than came on the market. It's an increase of 25 from last week. Median list price, $827,499, higher than the week before. Average days on market, 29, a big increase of 15 days. I think what we're seeing here, and actually let me give you a couple more stats and then I'll summarize. New pendings listed within the last week, 13. New pendings listed within the last 2 weeks, 91. So only 4% of homes sold in a week, 30% of homes sold in 2 weeks or less. That means that more of the homes that sold last week versus the week before were on the market longer. That's why you've seen 29 days as the average, an increase of 15 days. It was 35% of homes were selling in 2 weeks or less. Now only 30%. That means the rest were on the market longer. So homes that were sitting on the market longer, getting more activity, are starting to sell, which is good to see. Since last week, we saw 254 homes close escrow, drop of 14 from last week. Median list price $799, $945. A drop from the week before. Median sales price $799.5. Also a drop from last week. Average days on market 24, 1 fewer day. Least expensive sale in Fallbrook, $117,000. The most expensive sale in La Jolla, $10,300,000. And here's the chart showing new actives, new pendings, and new closed sales. A couple things that jump out: the huge drop in the number of new listings, increase in the number of pending sales, the slight drop in the number of closed sales, but we have more closed sales last week than we had new listings coming on the market. I've never seen that in all the years that we've been doing the Monday Market Moment. So a crazy, crazy market last week. Here's the chart showing median list price and median sales price. We're going to look at the luxury market for just a moment, as I teased in the Monday Market Moment last week. In the price range of $0 to $1.5 million, the expected market time in April was 23 days. Now it's 54 days. It's an increase of 31 days. Homes are staying on the market longer than they were back in April. But 1.5 million and above, it's a greater difference, 57 days. So what this is showing us, the luxury market, which is considered 1.5 million and above, it is slower than the rest of the market has been. So it is sort of a tale of two markets, really. And you can see the year-over-year change is actually a drop in both categories, 13 days fewer for under 1.5, 12 fewer days than 1.5 and above. And here's the chart that shows the last few years expected market time. And you can see where we are in the blue line. We're below where we were last year. So again, homes are selling faster in the over $1.5 million category than they were a year ago. But look at 2021. It's taking way longer than it did a couple of years ago. And the trend line is heading up right now. Will it continue to go up, or will it start coming down? And will we see those homes start selling faster, especially with that crazy market that we've seen in the past week? Will that continue? That's it for this week's Monday Market Moment. Don't forget to track that QR code to track your home's, scan that QR code to track your home's value. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas, and we'll look forward to seeing you on New Year's Day. We'll have another edition of the Monday Market Moment, maybe a little recap of the year and see what's ahead. That's it for this week's Monday Market Moment. Hope you have a great day. Look forward to seeing you next week.
You've been watching Monday Market Moment with Bryan Devore. To request a transcript of this week's report, send an email request to brian@devorerealtygroup.com.